What's up, guys? Welcome back to Sneaky Tech Travels. Alright, for this episode, we're going to show the best and cheapest, I think, place for you to get the latest release of the Sony A75. As we all know, Sony has just released the latest version of the A7 series. A7 IV has been a very good camera in terms of hybrid performance, both for picture taking and video capturing. So the best place to get the cheapest one option is actually here in Japan. So we're here in Osaka, and we're going to check the latest price of the A75 along with all the other cameras that's available in the market. There's big camera there, so let's see and check the prices. On our way to big camera, and one of the advantages of getting our cameras here in Japan is that tourists get a 10% tax-free, in which case whenever you buy an electronic item or anything, when you shop here, you're entitled to get 10% subsidy, which more or less really is a huge savings, especially if you're buying a high-ticket item such as the camera, the Sony A75. So first, let's look at the prices of other cameras before we go to the A75. So there's the Lumix S1 II. Here's the price. You can see below here, the one on the black font represents the tax-free rate, while the red rate, the pricing on the red is actually the regular price. So try to look at this price, which is on the black font, and then try to convert it. Keep in mind that these prices are in Japanese yen. This is the Lumix S1R2. Okay, the Lumix S1 2E. So we have the S5 II XX, the S5 II, S9s here, and here. Now let's go to Panasonic or Fujifilm, I think. So this is the G5 II. They're surprising. The EOS R50V. The prices for Fujifilm X-T50. Let's see. We also have their handheld cameras, ideal for vlogging. Right here. And 6700. Let's look at the Nikon. A75. There's the R50. So the cameras here. These are the Canons. R6 and the R5. There's the A73, A74. Also the Leicas camera. Well, these are the Hasselblad cameras. A7CR. They have multilingual menu, which means that this is not just the Japan version. The Nikons here, the 850, the 780, and the 700. We also have, wow, the R1, Canon R1. It's $990 tax free. The R3 is also here. Okay, so here's the A75 in flesh. Here's the price. It's 416,900 yen. The tax free is 379 yen. So please do your conversions. I'm sure it's gonna be a lot of savings we get from here. So currently it's out of stock, but more or less day after tomorrow, definitely the stocks are actually replenished. So this is the A75 in flesh. I think the one that's mounted here is an f/e 2.8 to 70 GM2 lens. It went out on sale December 19. So looks like for today a lot has purchased this camera because it's actually a new release. Okay. I think much of the weight here is coming from the lens, but pretty much as compared to the A7 IV, looks like the dimensions are pretty the same. But For whatever reason, it feels a bit beefier in a good sense. Nonetheless, still a very good camera. Very nice indeed. Alright, so there you go guys for this episode. We'll try to get as much updates on the pricing of other electronics such as the DJI drones, the Insta360s, a lot of other electronic options here we're going to showcase on our channel. Again, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Till next time, maraming salamat.